In fire sprinkler work, every second overhead matters. Traditional beam clamps slow your crew down and push them toward risky, non-compliant installs when the beam is out of reach. Introducing SAMMYS Speedy Clamp, the fast, reliable way to suspend 3/8" threaded rod from steel joists and beams at any distance. Current beam clamp installs use a manual, multi-step process that adds time at every hanger location. With Speedy Clamp, installation steps are dramatically reduced, delivering significant time savings on the job. And when the substrate is out of arm's reach, those slow, improvised methods can add up to several minutes per installation and put fitters in unsafe positions. Paired with the SAMMYS Speedy Clamp Extension Kit, Speedy Clamp allows you to complete installations in just seconds from any distance, helping crews stay on schedule and on the lift, not stretching or leaning into hazards. On many jobs, clamp locations are obstructed by overhead equipment, such as grid ceilings and MEP systems, leading installers to rely on non-compliant methods. Speedy Clamp eliminates these unsafe shortcuts, giving contractors a consistent, controlled, and compliant way to install from any distance. Installation is simple. For initial install, use a 1/4 inch impact driver with the SAMMYS Speedy Clamp installation tool to automatically drive the patented screw and nut assembly to a controlled torque. After that first install, follow the reuse instructions to ensure each reinstallation is done correctly and safely. Speedy Clamp is engineered for common hanging conditions: 3/8" threaded rod on bar joists and structural steel in data centers, warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and other commercial building types, where speed, consistency, and efficiency make every second count. With patented technology that delivers speed, safety, and reliability, SAMMYS Speedy Clamp turns a commoditized beam clamp category into a high-value solution that helps contractors increase job site efficiency, ensure compliant installations, and protect their crews. Available through major distribution partners nationwide and backed by the trusted SAMMYS brand, Speedy Clamp comes with the support of a dedicated specification and field team. Make faster installations, improved safety, and consistent performance your new standard. Specify SAMMYS Speedy Clamp on your next project and see how much faster your installs can be.